Hey, I'm Wade Sessions. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at CommonSpirit Health. I chose my specialty because I enjoy working with my hands. I can also empathize with my patients because I've had a series of my own orthopedic injuries. CommonSpirit is dedicated to good patient care and keeping up with the latest technologies. I like to think of my patients as family and to really develop a relationship and deliver personalized care. I think you can expect personalized care, a personalized treatment plan that works for you. Well, I love everything that Utah has to offer, especially from the outdoors perspective. So I enjoy recreating, skiing, mountain biking, hiking, being in the mountains.